Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shoaib Education. In this video, we are going to learn 5 lines essay on Valentine's Day. अगर आप चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। 14 February is marked as Valentine's Day. It was first celebrated on 496 AD. This day is dedicated to love and affection. The day is meant to express love.
On this day, people offer gifts to their loved ones.